Check this out. Military jets collide midair over ocean off San Diego. They got a video.
That breaking news is two military jets based out of Marine Corps Air Station Miramar crashed into one another this afternoon. The mid-air crash happened as the jets were flying over the ocean. The good news is the pilots are okay. NBC7's Katia Lopez-Odoyan joins us live from Shelter Island with what we know about the pilots. Katia.
Well, Catherine and Monica, it's very common to see jets flying here in the background in Shelter Island. Now, the two jets involved in that crash were actually taking part in a military training exercise, but again, we do want to stress that the pilots are doing just fine. They are okay. Now, this is what we know so far. The two jets were single-seat FA-18s. The Marines say just before noon, the Hornets crashed into each other while training over the ocean. Now, one of the pilots was able to land safely at Naval Air Station North Island. The other pilot ejected. Search and rescue teams from USS Carl Vinson found him and have taken him to the hospital so he can get checked out. Now, I also want to add that just a few minutes ago, we talked to a veteran about these type of military training exercises, and here's what he had to say.
Well, a lot of times they're doing, close quarter simulated combat movements where they're either chasing each other or they're, simulating a dogfight.
And back out here live again, we do want to stress that despite the crash, both pilots are doing just fine. As far as the cause of the crash, that is still under investigation. Reporting live from Shelter Island, Katia Lopez-Odoyan, NBC7.
Wow, so these were Hornets. Two military jets out of Marine Corps Air Station Miramar collided Wednesday over the Pacific Ocean off the coast of San Diego. One pilot was found in the ocean, that's the one that ejected, while the other landed safely at Naval Air Station North Island. They were FA-18 Hornets, were participating in a training mission just before noon. When the mid-air collision occurred. Military officials, so let me see, wow. One ejected over the water at the time of collision. Distress call was received at 12:11 p.m. and the pilot was recovered by 12:41 p.m. by crew members of USS Carl Vinson. Well, there's another video. Should we watch it? All right.
Managing our growth at TK1SC has required us to expand our office numerous times. The Ready Now.
Oh, look at this one. Wonder if... What is this? Here is the video of Naval Air Station North Island, just southwest of downtown San Diego, California. Okay. Get a little intel on that. Okay. Let's check this one out.
As a growing tech startup, we had many unique needs for us.
Shush it down. Okay, so... Well... Now, this is video of MCA's Miramar north of San Diego, California. No sound on this as well. Let's get a little intel of this this base. Zoom in there, buddy. Come on. Oh, I guess he was. You know that thing has a power zoom, though. Weak. All right, guys. Well, this has been James in the